In this session, let us learn about Java inheritance. Java inheritance subclass and superclass. In Java, it is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories: subclass, child, the class that inherits from another class; superclass, parent, the class begin inherited from. To inherit from a class, use the extends keyword. In the example below, the car class subclass inherits the attributes and methods from the vehicle class superclass. See here, Ashoka Leyland, Mahendra, tu, it sounds. See here, see Ashoka Leyland is tu, Mahendra. See, while we write and execute this code, the result printed this tu, Ashoka Leyland, Mahendra. See, did you notice the protect modifier in vehicle? We set the brand attribute in vehicle to a protected SS modifier. If it was set to private, the car class would not be able to access it. See here. Why and when to use inheritance? It is used for code reusability. Reuse attributes and methods of an existing class when you create a new class. Also, take a look at the next chapter, Polymorphism, which uses inherited methods to perform different tasks. The final keyword. If you don't want other classes to inherit from a class, use the final keyword. If you try to access a final class, Java will generate an error. See, the output will be something like this. Final class vehicle, class car extends vehicle. See, by writing and executing this code, see, some error occurred. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 31, Java inheritance. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java polymorphism. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.